Last class we have studied units and measurement. In that chapter we have learned about the SI units and the other measurements units. Okay. Today we will discuss some physical units, some practical units, practical units. We will learn today some practical units. ठीक है sir? Practical units. First, for long distance measurement, we will learn today. Number one astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. Okay, in short, 1A. What is 1A? We know that the Earth is moving around the Sun in an elliptical path. Okay, therefore this is distance between, this is what? Sun, this is Earth. Okay, this is also what? Distance. This may be the distance between Earth and Sun. Okay, Earth and Sun. So the average distance between Earth and Sun is called 1 astronomical unit. Okay, the average distance between Earth and Sun is called, the average distance between Earth and Sun is called 1 astronomical unit. Okay, the average distance, keep it in mind. Okay, is called 1 astronomical unit. Okay, so we know that from the earlier classes that the distance between Earth and Sun is what? 15 crore kilometer. Okay, so it can be written as 1.496 into crore means 10 to the power 7 kilometer. Okay, approximately 14.96 is approximately can be written as 15. Okay, so this is what? 14.96 into 10 to the power 7 kilometers. So 1.496 into 10 into 10 to the power 7 into kilometer means 10 to the power 3 meter. So its value is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. This is the average distance between Earth and Sun, which is called 1 astronomical unit. Clear? This is used for long distance measurement. Actually, this is used in astronomical physics, astrophysics. Okay, it is used in astrophysics. So we learned first long distance measurement unit. Next one is light year. Okay, next one is number 2, light year. Okay, here what is the year? Year is unit of time. Okay, we know that year is unit of what? Time. But we are study here light year. Light year is but unit of long distance measurement. That is unit of what? Distance. Okay, unit of distance. One of the unit of distance is light year. Don't be confused because year is unit of time, but light year is unit of what? Distance. Okay, so very important. You have to keep it in mind. Okay, what is light year? Light year is the distance covered by light, the distance covered by light in a complete year time, the distance covered by light in a complete year, and complete year is called one light year. Okay, the distance covered by light in a complete year is called one light year. So what is the speed of light? We know in class 10 we have already studied that the velocity or speed of light. What we have studied, that speed of light is 2.96 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay, or approximately it is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is speed. Okay, so we will learn here what? 2.96. Okay, this is the speed of light, that is in 1 second light travels how much distance? 1 meter. Okay, therefore in 1 minute light travels, so not 1 meter, 2.96 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay, in 1 minute, that is meter per second means what? In 1 second light travels this meter. Okay, next 1 minute, in 1 minute light travels 60 into, because 1 minute has 60 seconds, so 60 into 2.96 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Again in 1 hour, light travels how much? 60 into 2.96 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay, next in 1 day, in 24 hours, that is in 1 day, light travels 24 into 60 into 2.96 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay, so in the complete year means 365 days. Okay, and how much hour? 6 hours. 6 hours means 6 by 24. So 1/4 means 0.25. Okay, so 0.25. 365.25 hour, not hour. Okay, in the light travels 365.25 into 24 into 60 into 2.96 into 10 to the power 8 meter, and this value is equal to I forgot, 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter is equal to what? 1 light year. Okay, 1 light year means light travels a distance by 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter in a year. Okay, this is what? A distance, very large distance unit. It is also used in astrophysics. Okay, clear? Next one unit is Parsec. Okay, next one unit is Parsec. This is also a long distance measurement unit. Long distance measurement unit. Okay, that's practical unit. Another one is what? 1 parsec. Okay, this is circle. Okay, so we can measure this like this. So its value is how much? 360 degree. Okay, if we make 360 divisions, then its value is 1 degree. Okay, this is divided into 360 parts. Then we will get this, and the one value is how much? 1 degree. This value is 1 degree. Let's consider this is how much? 1 degree. Now we will divide 1 degree into 60 divisions. This 1 degree, very small angle, you can see in the protector and you can draw. Okay, so if you draw in a large piece, then you will find that angle can be increased like this. So this separation will increase when the length is increases. Okay, so it will be easy to us when the angle is when the distance is large. Then we can divide into how many parts? 60 parts. Okay, this value is called 1 minute. Okay, this is called 1 minute. So this is divided into 60 parts, not degrees, 60 parts. Then the value is 1 minute. So 1 minute value is very small value, right? Now we say that this is what? 1 minute. Okay, now we will increase this. Okay, increasing, then we will divide this again by 60 parts. Then we will find 1 second. We will find what? 1 second. Okay, now this 1 second, we found that 1 second, that is 1 second is equal to 1 degree divided by 3600, right? 1 minute is divided. We learned that 1 minute is equal to 1 degree by 3600 parts. That is very small. Very small angle. 1 minute, 1 second is very small angle. Therefore, we are going to measure what? Long distance measurement. We will use it. Okay, so when angle is 1 second, okay, and it is increased, going from after very far distance covered. If this substance 1 astronomical unit, okay, we can like it. We can say that this is what? 1 astronomical unit. That is the distance between average distance between sun and earth. Okay, this is the angle, something angle theta. Okay, if this is constant value what? 1. This is the length of the shock. Let us consider this is 1 astronomical unit. Okay, this is okay. Now this is 1 astronomical unit again. If distance increases, then angle is also what? This angle is theta, something theta. So now this angle obviously smaller than the previous. Okay, now if we increase, if we go far away from this position, then what will happen? Distance is increasing and the angle is decreasing. Same, if you go beyond this value, if you go far away, then angle will decrease. When the distance between this value, 1 astronomical unit value, and this center, then what will happen? The angle will decrease with increasing distance. Okay, we will increase the distance, far away. Then there will be an angle that is 1 second. When the angle become 1 second, when this 1 astronomical unit is far away from us. Okay, that much far away distance is what? 1 parsec. When 1 astronomical unit subtend an angle of 1 second, then the distance, the average distance is called 1 parsec. Okay, so we can write. So we can write 1 parsec is 1 parsec is radius of the circle radius of circle. 1 parsec is radius of circle at the center of which arc at the center of which an arc of the circle 1 atmospheric unit long subtend an angle of 1 second. Okay, so 1 parsec is radius of circle. So this is what we can make like this circle. Okay, so this is what radius of circle is what 1 parsec. Okay, 1 parsec radius of circle at the center of which an arc of the circle is, and this is what arc of the circle is what 1 astronomical unit long subtend an angle of 1 second. So this will make here the angle is what 1 second. Okay, then the distance, average distance or radius is called 1 parsec. Clear? This is long. This is used in long distance measurement. Okay. Next, we use some practical units in short distance measurement. Now, short distance measurement unit. So basically we use in generally 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter is SI unit. So we use 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is what 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, 1 centimeter is 10 to the power minus 2 meter. The small units. Okay, after that 1 micron we use, micron or 1 micrometer. 1 micrometer. Okay, this is 1 micrometer. This is micron actually. Micrometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. 1 micron is 10 to the power minus 6 meter, or 1 micrometer is what 10 to the power minus 6 meter. After that we use 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer. This is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Keep it in mind. 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay. 1. After that, 1 angstrom. This is the symbol of angstrom. Okay. 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay. After that, we also use 1 picometer. 1 picometer, that is 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Okay, that is 1 picometer. Next one is 1 Fermi. Fermi. Okay, 1 Fermi. 1 Fermi is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. 10 to the power minus 15. It is used in nuclear physics. So So these are the short distance measurement, very short. Okay, so these are some practical units used for measurement of length. Okay, after that, in measurement of area, generally we use in paper 1 acre, 1 acre length. Okay, 1 acre length is what? 4047 meter square. Okay, 1 acre is 4047 meter square. Again, 1 hectare is used basically in newspaper. It is used in hectare or acre. 1 hectare is nothing else. This is what? 100 meter length and 100 meter what? Breadth. Then this area is how much? Area is 1 hectare. Okay, so 100 meter into 100 meter. So how much? 10 to the power 4 meter square area is what? 1 hectare. Okay, this is some of the units used in measurement of area. In the previous class I have told you about the bigha, lesa and something like that. Now again the unit of mass. Unit of mass. Generally practical, we are studying practical unit. Therefore, generally in mass measurement, it is used in quintal, ton. Okay, 1 quintal. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Okay, 1 ton. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. This is for large unit, large mass. Okay, another large mass is Chandrasekhar limit, very large. Chandrasekhar limit. Chandrasekhar limit is used in astrophysics. Very large unit for measurement of mass. That is 1.4 into mass of sun. So this is very large unit. Okay. If you go to the shop of ornaments, you will find small unit measurement mass. It is carat. Gold. If you go to buy gold, then it will be measured in carat. Nowadays in grams also. And carat means 200 milligram. 200 milligram is 1 carat. This is used in jewelers. Okay.